Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove ads on your Redmi phone using built-in settings and DNS configuration and other methods. First, open the Settings app on your smartphone. Tap on More Connectivity options, then select Private DNS just below the airplane mode. Now tap on Private DNS Provider Hostname. Here, type in dns.adguard.com. This will help block ads at the DNS level. Once you've entered it, tap Save. Go back to the main settings menu and scroll down to Privacy. Here again, scroll down, then select Ads. There, tap on the first option, Add Privacy. Here, you will see three options: Add Topics, Add Suggested Ads, and Add Measurement. Toggle off all the options simultaneously. Next, go to your home screen and open the Chrome browser app. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner and select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Site Settings. Then scroll down again and tap on Pop-ups and Redirects. Toggle off pop-ups and redirects to block intrusive ads and pop-ups while browsing. And that's it. You've successfully reduced ads on your Redmi app. This combination of DNS blocking, ad service settings, and browser configuration will give you a much cleaner ad-free experience. If this tutorial helped you block ads on Redmi, don't forget to like and subscribe.